Henrikh Mkhitaryan provided 3 assists on a dream home debut as Arsenal cruised to a 5-1 victory over Everton at the Emirates Stadium.The Armenia international joined the Gunners last month from Manchester United in a swap deal which saw Alexis Sanchez move in the opposite direction. Mkhitaryan struggled to showcase his creative talents under Jose Mourinho at Old Trafford, but the early evidence suggests he will thrive under Arsene Wenger. After an encouraging cameo performance against Swansea in midweek, the 29-year-old took just 6 minutes to lay on Aaron Ramsey's opener, latching onto fellow home debutant Pierre-Emerick Aubameyang's and lashing a low centre-across goal for the Welshman to tap home. 8 minutes before the break, the former Borussia Dortmund stars were at it again, with Mkhitaryan feeding Aubameyang, admittedly in an offside position, who delicately flicked the ball over the advancing Jordan Pickford. Mkhitaryan completed a hat-trick of assists with 16 minutes remaining, again firing the ball across the penalty area from the left wing, allowing Aaron Ramsey the chance to sweep home the first treble of his Premier League career. Even Jose Mourinho admitted both clubs secured themselves great deals when Mkhitaryan and Aubameyang swapped teams, but Arsenal fans who became frustrated by their old no. 7 selfish playing style are already enjoying their new one selfless attitude. Sanchez, who opened his goal-scoring account in fortuitous circumstances for United on Saturday, provided 3 assists in 19 matches for the Gunners this season, and Mkhitaryan has already equaled that tally in the space of 90 minutes.